Purpose of this video is to give you an idea of how to handle some of the things in the Flame Test Lab. So the first thing you should do is read through the background, and it's not too bad, and it will help you answer some of the questions that you'll have to answer in the lab report. The procedure is not too bad. All you need to do is take the Bunsen burner first, and that's in the instruments section. Stick it on here. Apparently you need a low flame. That's at first anyway. And the low flame is going to be sort of a reddish flame. If you were to hit this again, you'll notice that it will turn blue. That's a hot flame. So I'll turn it back, or I don't know what that is. There we go. That would be the low flame right there. So the next thing we're going to do is get some samples, and the samples are in the materials section here, and you're going to be doing each of these. Now make sure that you don't do any of these twice, and the best way to do that is to make sure that you're writing down in your lab notes what you're getting each time you see a color, and then each time you're done with the sample, stick it in the recycle bin so that you are not going to mix up samples on the bench. The other thing you want to do is stick the wand that you're going to be sticking into each of these samples into a recycle bin each time, so using a clean wand. This is what you do in the regular lab anyway, because you don't want to be contaminating your samples. So what you would do is grab the first one. This is 1 mole of bismuth, and then we will grab the wire rod here, and it will stick it in there. Then what we can do is we can move the wire rod over to the flame, and then you can see what the color of the flame is, and you mark it down. Now if you missed it, you can always do it again. Alright, so once you're done, you'll take the wand, you'll take the sample, then you go back to materials, and you'll take the next sample. So you see it when you mouse over it, it tells you what it is. You've already done bismuth, so then you do lithium, then you do the next one. But just to do that each time is take the sample, get a new wand, put it in the flame, and then get the color. And that's pretty much all you have to do for the lab part. Now after you've done that, you can go back out to the section that has your lab report, and the questions here are pretty simple. Most anything that you need is in the background, and everything else you need to put in here you'll get from the lab.